Tram, the pride of Kolkata.
The Kolkata Tram is a tram system in Kolkata, India, run by the Calcutta Tramways Company (CTC), running since 1902. It is currently the only operating tram network in India and the oldest operating electric tram in Asia. This Planet to Khidirpur tram route is the most beautiful route in Kolkata. It runs through the green fields of Maidan and Victoria Memorial. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and enjoy.
Maidan, the green lungs of Kolkata.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel and enjoy. The 42 is the tallest residential skyscraper in Kolkata and second tallest building in India. It is 268 meters, that is 879 feet high. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and enjoy. To get notification about our new video uploads, please tap on the bell sign on the right.